All right, everybody, we're going to do some science stuff today. Now, first, we're going to take some time and we're going to look at the seeds that we started growing the other day. What has changed on these? I can tell you one thing that's changed. They smell wonderful. All right, as we get... There's a bean on the outside. Okay, you can take a moment. You can see on those seeds all the different things that have changed. The bean seed has this spike thing going on. Corn seed. Let's pull these out and look at them. You can see the differences in the seeds as they've grown. Corn seed has not gotten a whole lot bigger. The pea seed has gotten a lot bigger and started to grow a root and what looks like a leaf. The bean seed, we're actually going to pick up and show you. You can see it's got what looks like little spiky things on it. Those are roots growing out of the bean seed. Look how much larger it got. And the sunflower seed, again, I'm especially excited about these, has got a root coming, and you can see on the inside there's a leaf. And that is what it originally looked like. We've had a lot of changes on these seeds. We're going to continue watering them and seeing what happens, because remember, the question to answer for this one is what effect does water have on seeds? Now, we've already seen that water has a lot of effects on seeds. The next thing to talk about is how much water can a seed soak up? That's what we're looking at today. All right, so for us to figure out how much water a seed can soak up, we need some seeds. We're gonna use lima beans. We have some lima beans. I've got a cup here and a bottle of water. So what we're going to do is we are going to figure out how much water those lima beans can soak up. We're going to use weight to figure that out. Now, if we were in school, we're supposed to go through this whole process where I'm supposed to ask you guys, how do you think we can figure this out? Let's problem solve together. Yeah, we're not going to do that. What we are going to do is just cut to the chase, and we are going to figure this out. Now, we have to write all of this information down because that's part of being a science work. You've got to make notes. So what we're going to do is we have a handy-dandy digital scale. You might have one of these at home. Only reason I have one is because my wife's a pastry chef. We're going to take a lima bean, and we are going to weigh it. All right, we have 7 lima beans that weigh 7 grams. That's 7 lima beans that weigh 7 grams. For us to figure out how much water they can soak up, we take these lima beans, dump them in a container. We dump a whole bunch of water in there. And we let it sit. We're going to check out these lima beans tomorrow. We're going to take them out. We're going to weigh them. We're going to figure out how much water can a seed soak up.
You're not done yet. You can do this science experiment at home. All you'll need are some lima beans and some water. You also have an assignment on Google Classroom that includes some science reading today. There is a worksheet that goes along with that, and to complete that worksheet, you're going to want to either recreate it and take a picture of it and send it to me, or you can also create it in a Google document and share it with me that way. That science reading and those questions will be due on Friday. Have a great day, everybody.